Hi guys! Welcome sa Siknayan. In this video ay magsimula tayo ng panibagong series. No? Sa series na to ay we will square binomials. No? So pag-aaralan natin kung paano mag-square ng binomials. No? So these are examples of binomials. Paano natin i-square yung a plus b tsaka yung a minus b. No? Alam natin that if we square a number, for example, 3 squared, that is multiplying the number by itself, di ba? 3 times 3. No? So, pag sinabi natin a plus b squared, ang ibig sabihin niya, we multiply a plus b by itself. No? So, maraming ways to multiply binomials. No? Pero ituro ko sa inyo yung hindi siya pinakamadali, but I think pinaka-useful dahil pwede nyo siya i-generalize later. No? Una, we distribute yung A. No? Punta doon sa A plus B. So, yung A, didistribute natin siya sa A plus B, yung blue na A. And then plus yung B na yan, parang orange. Ano naman ang kulay niyan. Okay? So, nakita nyo, yung A, dinistribute ko sa A plus B. So, ganun yun. Tapos yung plus, lalagay ko siya dito. Tapos yung B naman, distribute ko dito. Plus B times, ganun pa rin yung blue na A. And then a plus B. Yung kulay ng B natin. Ito yun. Okay. So, nakita nyo, parang pinag-iwalay ko itong dalawang to, dinistribute ko pareho. No? Next, we multiply a times a by law of exponent is a squared. And then we have a plus. Bublo ko na yan, a times b is ab. Diba? And then we have a plus here. What is b times a? B times a is ba or ab rin. Diba, BA is equal to AB. Pag multiplication, hindi nagmamatter yung order kasi 3 times 2 is the same as 2 times 3. Kaso, para maging pareho sila, pwede natin gawing AB. Of course, pwede rin natin gawing BA if you want. And then, BA tapos, BA na naging AB tapos plus, we have a plus here. And then, we multiply b, which is equal to b squared. Now, ano ang a squared plus ab plus b squared? This is equal to a squared plus dalawang ab. Dalawang ab's to ab plus b squared. Okay. So, kung nakalimutan nyo na yung pag-add, ab plus ab, can be actually factored out to AB times 1 plus 1. Diba factored, pwede natin i-factor out yung AB. So, pag finactor out natin, 1 plus 1 matitira. Notice that pag binalik ko yan, mapunta siya dito, AB plus AB. So, this is equal to AB times 2, which is equal to AB. Ayan, no? So, ibig sabihin nyo, A squared plus 2AB plus B squared is equal to a plus b squared. Okay. So, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay. Now, question, paano pag minus? No? Paano pag minus, for example? Parehong minus, for example. Yan. Squaring. So, dapat pareho yung di ba? Pareho yung minumultiply natin. So, ano mangyayari? Siyempre, yung a minus b na to, blue tsaka yung parang orange, magiging a minus b yan pareho, di ba? A minus b, yung blue tsaka orange, magiging minus siya. What about a plus b na to? A plus b, magiging minus din siya, di ba? Okay? So, siyempre, may iba na yung sagot natin yan. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so, a squared A times A is A squared, and then we have a minus. And then A times B is AB. Then we have another minus. What is B times A? BA siya or AB. And then we have a minus. What is negative B times B? Ito, nakakalito to, no? But tuturuan ko kayo ng another way later. This is the minus here, no? Kasi nagdi-distribute tayo, no? However, pag nag-minus ka, minus at saka minus, magiging plus. Kasi nagmumultiply tayo, no? Later, bakit, i-explain ko yan, bakit ganyan. Magiging plus siya, plus B squared, no? So, this is equal to A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. Okay? So, ano naman ang nangyari dito sa minus AB minus AB? Bakit siya naging minus 2AB squared? So, this is just negative AB minus, minus AB minus AB, which is equal to AB, yung nasa labas, factor out AB, minus 1 minus 1, or negative 1 minus 1, same siya, minus 1 minus 1. So, this is AB times negative 2, which is negative 2AB. Kaya siya nandito. Okay, so, sabi nyo medyo malabo, alam ba yung minus, saka alam ba yung negative. Bigyan ko kayo ng technique o method yata to. Yung technique man, nakatawag yung man yung technique. So, A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. Yan yung sagot natin kanina, no? So, saan tayo nagkakamali usually? Nagkakamali tayo sa operations, no? Pag minus, pag sinabi mong minus operation siya, A squared, tapusin muna natin to, minus 2AB plus B squared. Pag sinabi mong minus, this is an operation, di ba? Ang ano niyan, ang kasama niyan yung mga addition, subtraction, di ba? Minus, plus, times, divide. Pag sinabi mong negative, this is the sign of the number, no? Of a number. So, it's either positive or negative, no? Ngayon, paano maiwasan yung mga confusion ng yung mga minus na to, tsaka negative? Ang gagawin yung plus lahat ng mga terms. For example, yung A minus B squared, pwede yung gawing A plus negative B squared. Kasi ang A minus B, di ba, sabi na pag-aralan na natin yan. Best ko na natin na if you subtract B from A, it's the same as adding the negative of B. So, imbis na A minus B, pwede nating A plus negative B. At least dito, aware tayo na negative yung pinag-uusapan natin at hindi siya operation, no? Ang operation natin is plus, pero yung negative B is a sign, no? A negative sign. So, paano yun? Pwede nating ulitin yung kanina. Applicable to, no? Pag nag-multiply kayo ng polynomials. So, A plus negative B times A plus negative B. O, ito alam natin, di ba? Yung A times A is A squared plus A times negative B is negative AB, and then plus, ito naman, negative B times A is negative AB, and then ito, negative B times negative B is B squared, di ba? Negative B times negative B. So, this is positive. Negative times negative is positive. B times B is B squared. Okay siya, positive B squared or plus B squared. Okay, so, ayun. Ito, we have A squared, negative AB plus negative AB. Ganon din, pwede may factor out yung AB. Magiging negative 1 plus negative 1. Which is AB times negative 2. Which is negative 2AB. Okay? So, plus pa rin tayo, di ba? Negative 2AB plus B squared. Pero, may plus negative tayo, pinaka last answer na natin, mas maganda na konti yung operations. So, imbis na plus negative, babalik natin siya sa A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. Okay, so dalawa lang naman ang possible scenario na mangyayari, no? It's either plus b or minus b. Of course, pwede natin lagyan ng negative 2 dito sa unahan, but it doesn't matter kasi pag in-square naman natin yan, magiging positive yan. No? So, pwede kayo mag-memorize. Pwede nyo i-memorize yung mga formulas na yan and then, yan na lang yung gagamitin nyo. No? Pag nag-solve kayo ng squaring ay binomial problem. Let's have one example. Bago tayo magtapos. For example, what is 2x minus 4 squared? Diba? Yung ginawa natin. Ito yung a natin, diba? We square yung a. So, magiging 2x quantity squared. A minus b ba siya ang form niya o a plus b? A minus b, no? Ibig sabihin yung second term natin ay minus. Mag-minus na tayo, ignore na natin yung sign. So, 2 times a. 2 times the first term, ibig sabihin 2 times the first term, yung a natin, 2x, times the second term, b, times 4. And then I have a plus, and then b squared. So, that is 4 squared. So, nakita nyo, in-ignore ko na yung mga sign kasi meron na akong pattern na minus tsaka plus pagdating dito. No? Okay, so magiging, this is equal to 2 squared x squared minus, what is 2 times 2x? 4x times 4, 16x. And then plus 16. Tama ba? Okay. So, this is equal to, what is 2 squared? It's 4 x squared minus 16x plus 16. Okay, so yun. In the next video, magkakaroon tayo ng iba pang examples. Ay sana may natutunan kayo dito sa video natin. Maraming salamat. Bago ako magtapos, gusto ko yung invite sa Sipnayan YouTube channel. No? Mag-subscribe kayo dito. No? And of course, kung nagustuhan niyo yung video, pwede nyo i-like. And gusto ko rin kayong invite sa Sipnayan Facebook page at sa Sipnayan website. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.